Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less. I was taught that the way of progress was neither swift nor easy. Life is not easy for any of us. But what of that? We must have perseverance and above all confidence in ourselves. We must believe that we are gifted for something and that this thing must be attained. Be less curious about people and more curious about ideas. In science, we must be interested in things, not in persons. I am one of those who think like Nobel, that humanity will draw more good than evil from new discoveries. You cannot hope to build a better world without improving the individuals. To that end, each of us must work for his own improvement and, at the same time, share a general responsibility for all humanity.